Hi, guys, and welcome back. Yes, I know I give my sister a lot of harassment over the touchy feely, cutesy, fuzzy games. Well, this one I got, and I really like it. I have not played a whole lot of it. I I have been to the Moss Blanket, and I have been to the Indigo Quarry, and you start out in the dry coral, or I forget what it was called. Uh, I have unlocked both sides and the science lab and the docks in a previous game. My daughter plays, and we really like the game, but we are going to try to do a role play kind of. We It doesn't appear that there's an option to have a guy. So we are going to there we go, diamond. Now let's find an icon. Well, that would have been a good one, but it's already used. Okay, we are going to go with the tar. Yes, I know what a tar is. I really hate tar. But we're going to go with this. And the role play that we are going to do with this is I know, I have played enough to know that there's this one guy that just keeps sending letters to us. Diamond worked on Earth and had a very nice business. She ran a flower shop, dealt with cut flowers and potted plants. Let's just say that. And there was a guy that was just a real creepster. Kept hanging around, following her everywhere. Very much a stalker. So to get away from him, we went to a total different planet. And we had a little bit of pocket money with us, but that is all. Now, folks, these episodes are going to be about an hour long, give or take. There is a lot to do, as I have seen. But anyway, she went to a total different planet to get away from this guy. And so that's why we have the tar. The creepster is ever present, or always trying to make his presence known. And my apologies, the little blind dog thinks she hears something.